What's up, y'all? A lot of people ask me how to use a sewing machine. So here's a video, quick video. That's your spool pin, bobbin winder. That's really needing everything on here. Your thread guide, upper level. Need your thread, your bobbin thread, tension, whatever. Anyway, look, put your thread on your bobbin, yes, your spool pin. I'm sorry, and guide it through. Now these machines these days are new machines. They come with diagrams on the machine. That is spectacular. See how easy I did that? You might run a rewind it if you're missing. But you thread through 1, 2, 3. And that's a diagram. I'm just showing y'all the diagram on the machine. Because you can run around that top part on the left to wind your bobbin. I'm going to make another video on how to do that. Don't worry about it. So just a continuation of what I just did. Once you pull the thread through, you're going to go right through the presser foot. I didn't thread the needle just for time's sake for the video. And I raised the level up and run your thread underneath the presser foot and run it to the back. Then you wind your bobbin. I already had some bobbin thread in here, so I just took it out and redid it. Simple process. This is gonna be the thread that's gonna be on the bottom of the thread. Like I said, there's a diagram for that too. Put that in there, wind it up. There's a thread cutter in here. Time my last sewing machine, it had none of this fancy stuff. Put the bobbin cover back on. Simple as that. Simple. Next, I'm just showing y'all the presser foot, your tension. That's how tight the thread gonna be. Like I said, the thread guide for when you winding the bobbin or when you just or when you actually sew on the machine. This is the reverse. You put your thread in reverse. That's how I tighten certain knots and wigs. You got your buttonhole maker. This is just your stitch pattern, which stitches you're gonna use. I only use maybe 3 or 4 on here. Straight ones, zigzag, etc. That's your manual wheel. It's just gonna move the thread up and down. You definitely need that. I don't know, man. Like I said, this ain't hard. I'm gonna make another video. This is just me showing you how I use it manually. Oh, presser foot. Of course, this goes on the ground. Duh. I'm gonna make another video. I'm gonna show you how to thread the bobbin and how to actually do a test piece. That's where the bobbin go. Like I said, it's a diagram, and then you push it, run the thread through there. I'm gonna make another video on how to do that. Simple. Stay tuned for part 2.